Hi everyone, welcome back to TerraTern. Today I would like to talk about one of the most recognized and efficient English proficiency tests, the Pearson Test of English or PTE. Whether you are seeking to study abroad, apply for a visa, or prove your English language skills for a professional reason, the PTE provides a reliable and a fast way to demonstrate your proficiency. The PTE is designed primarily for a non-native English speakers and is accepted by universities, governments, and employers worldwide. There are a few versions of the PTE, including the PTE Academic, which is the most commonly taken exam for the study and immigration purposes. There is also the PTE General, which is more geared towards a general communication and a work environments, and the PTE Home, which is specially for the UK visa applications now. Let's take a look at the structure of PTE Academic. The exam is computer based and typically lasts rounds for 2 hours. It is divided into three main sections: speaking and writing, reading and listening. The first section, speaking and writing, lasts about 54 to 67 minutes. Here you will be to ask a complete variety of tasks, from reading aloud a passage to describe images and even writing essays. This section assesses not only how well you speak English but also how effectively you can communicate your ideas in a writing. You will be given an opportunity to introduce yourself in a non-scored personal introduction, which helps institutions get a sense of who you are. In the next section, reading, which is last about 29 to 30 minutes, you will be asked to complete a task like multiple choice questions, reordering paragraph, and fill in the blank. The goal here is to assess how well you can comprehend written text, which is a key skill for academic and professional success. The final section, listening, takes around 30 to 43 minutes. You will listen to various recordings, then perform tasks like summarizing spoken text, highlighting incorrect words, and writing from dictation. This section tests your ability to understand spoken English in a different context, a vital skill for a real-world communication. One of the unique features of the PTE, it's an AI-powered scoring system. The exam is entirely computer-based and the results are calculated by artificial intelligence. This ensures an objective, consistent, and unbiased evaluation of your performance. The scoring scale ranges from 10 to 90, with the higher score reflecting a greater proficiency. The best part, you will receive your result within 48 hours, making the PTE one of the fastest English proficiency tests available. In the term of acceptance, the PTE Academic is recognized by institutions and governments all over the world. Whether you are applying for a student visa to Australia or pursuing a higher education in the UK or seeking immigration to Canada, the PTE is a trusted option. It is growing acceptance across the universities, colleges, and government bodies, make it a go-to choice for those looking for a flexible, fast, and accurate test of their English skills. In conclusion, I would like to say the Pearson Test of English is not only an efficient and reliable measures of your language skill, but also offer tremendous flexibility, fast result, and global acceptance. For anyone looking to further their education, career, or immigration prospect, the PTE stands out as a highly effective way to demonstrate your English proficiency. Ready to take the next step towards your dream career abroad? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the form, link is in the description and pin comments below. Don't miss this opportunity to get an expert advice tailored just for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TerraTern for more tips on achieving your goals abroad. See you in the next video.